Well, here's the aluminum rod band switch in the HRO 500 now. It went in, but the bad news is, in getting the fiberglass band switch out, I damaged this wafer pretty badly. Couldn't get it working again, and it broke off one of the contacts. So it may still work on some bands, but it's disappointing. It needs to get rebuilt or a new wafer put in, which would be impossible to find. So this may end up being a parts radio being sold for parts and never appreciated by me, because I made a misstep in fixing it up and can't get that part. So unless I could find a wafer like that, and I doubt I could, or another one of these as a parts radio, I think the project is done. And how did this rod work out? It doesn't seem like there's much slop anymore in these things. Doesn't matter. Yeah, they're pretty good. Well, at any rate, I think I've lost band 4 and 5, maybe 3. Yeah, those are pretty good now. So I'm not sure I could take that apart, or I even want to. Maybe I'll look at this radio as a learning experience and forget about it. If I ever can pick up another HRO, I could take what I learned on this one and fix it. But I think this one's going to be parts or a basket case, because I've really wrecked up this switch. I'm not sure even how I could pull that wafer out of there and get this little part back on it. Looks like it attaches through some little clips that broke off. Yep, anyway, technology from 1965 that can't be fixed, because you break things and you're done. Okay, thanks for watching. I guess I'm not going to be able to go any further on this radio. Have a great day. Yeah, if anybody wants to sell me an HRO 500 cheap that needs some work, I'll take it, because I probably got $500 sunk in this one, so I need a cheap one to feel better. Thanks, have a great day.